Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 594 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm still trying out products from my September Ipsy Glam Bags. This right here is the lip icing from the brand ESTATE. And this is actually an item that I added on with my Ipsy points, which is such a great feature about Ipsy. All you really have to do is review your products each month and you build up points and then you can redeem them for free products. But so, this is just so cute. Of course, I love this packaging. It looks like a cupcake, basically. It's got icing and sprinkles, and this is exactly the type of packaging that I'm drawn to, the exact type of color that I'm drawn to. I have this in the shade Drip. So this retails for $10, and it comes in a few different shades, mostly nudes and pink shades. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, and this is a brand that I really only found out about because of Ipsy. Oh, and I love this type of applicator. It's more of a triangle-shaped doe foot. So let me swatch it. Oh yeah. So a tint of pink, but really nice shine. Yes. It smells like really just like icing. It smells so sweet. I was hoping that a lip product called Lip Icing would have a good scent to it. This definitely does. It really smells like vanilla. Oh, that's so nice. So I'm just going to be applying this to bare lips, but it says that this is also great on top of lipsticks as a lip topper. Oh my gosh, this feels so nice on my lips. So smooth. Thick gloss, but not sticky at all. That's such a flattering lip gloss. Like, it helped smooth out my dry lips. It adds that really enhancing shine. And I feel like that tint of color also helps emphasize the lips and make them look smooth and like the right shade, you know? Yeah, it feels so hydrating. Wow, just all around a beautiful lip gloss. I'm so happy with the feel of it. I loved the application process with that pointy doe foot applicator. This is kind of how I expected this product to look and how this review would go, and it really did live up to my expectations. I like that it's a thicker gloss because those thin glosses I feel like just fade away within seconds. And this is so on trend right now. I feel like those glossy lip toppers or just kind of tinted glosses are what's in style, and I'm so glad because those are what I am really drawn to and feel the most comfortable on my lips. So I'm really happy to have this in my collection. I'm definitely going to continue wearing it. And this is my second product that I'm trying out from the brand ESTATE, and now I just want to try out even more of their products. So let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this or any of the other ESTATE brand products and what your thoughts are on them. And such a quick, successful review. Seriously, almost all of my products from Ipsy so far have been so great. I still have one more product from my September Ipsy Glam Bags that I'm going to be trying out tomorrow. So fingers crossed that I love that product. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.